Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Cash App automatic savings help you to save money without thinking about it. It moves money from your balance to savings on a regular schedule. This makes it easy to save for something special or for emergency. And here's how to set it up. First, open Cash App and log in. Then tap the banking $tab on the home screen, and under your balance, tap on savings. Then tap setup under setup automatic deposit, and you can choose two options like a deposit amount like $5, $10 or custom, and you can also choose when you want like daily, weekly or every paycheck, and then select your funding source, usually your Cash App balance or linked balance, and then tap start saving to confirm. Once set, then the selected amount will automatically move into your saving balance based on your schedule. Now here's how to edit or cancel the auto saving. So for that, go to the savings section again, tap the auto saving settings and choose to edit the amount or frequency, or tap to turn off the autosave to cancel, and changes take effect immediately. And that's it. And here's how to view or use your saved money. For that, go to banking and then select savings to check your current saved balance, and then tap withdraw to transfer saving banks to your main Cash App balance when need, and no penalties or fee for withdrawing your savings, and it's super easy. Now here are some pro tips. You can pair automatic savings with round-up features if available to grow your savings even faster. Use goal levels like emergency funds or vacations to stay motivated. And you can turn on notifications to track each transfer. So with just a few taps, you can automate your savings and build a habit that pay off every time. Whether you're saving small amount daily or large chunks weekly, Cash App's autosaves help you to stay consistent effortlessly. And that's it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Comment below for more Cash App tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.